travel. I will return with most muchos dineros. They say we can never make it cause we negros. You say you try and take it to another level, but do you really think you can handle a nigga in and out the clink? Cause I am gone beached up on these niggas, I don't care, yo. You look good, best girl I ever knew. I'm so hood that I probably fuck it off. Cause it's thugs in and out the fucking house, and it's guns tucked in the fucking couch. You in love, but I probably turn you out on the drugs. This street shit won't return to how it was. It's a fire in my heart, pounding in my mind. Niggas try and eat food, end up getting life. So fuck you fake rapping ass niggas, cause I
wanna come back home, but every time you call, bitch, you call from a block phone. I told you, bitch, you need to stand up and act wrong. Then maybe you can leave that sucker shit alone. And that sucker that let you make a move with no dough had to be a fake pimp that makes you a fake hoe. And when I had you, it was all gas and no brakes though. He lightened up, I tightened vice round your throat. I know you like how all this ice hang off my rope, and how I ride that armored Benz truck like the Pope. You know I down hoes wherever I go, bitch. How the fuck you think a pimp got so rich? I stay down, ho, and no, I never switch. Still pull this game out on a bitch like a beverage. I'm trying to add it up and use a negative, and I don't wanna hear that old shit about what you get.